My name is Dr. Kaleem Malik. I'm visiting from the United States in Chicago. A question did just come to mind with a discussion with another Arab Muslim in the United States regarding one of the Hadith that relates to the latter days that describes the mosques being devoid of spiritual light, and more importantly was that Fitna will come from the Olema, and the word
turn to them.
And turn to them. So why today the ulama have such an influence over the masses in many different Muslim countries when the word fitna is used directly for them?
Because they're the product of the fitna of masses. You see, they are not heads which are joined to wrong bodies. The bodies are also intoxicated, and the heads which belong to those bodies are also similar, but they're worst because they lead the body to further misdoings and evils, because the relationship between head and body is exactly the same as I'm just describing. So when the body goes wrong, the head goes wrong. When the head goes wrong, the body goes wrong further.